Fem Kufie do Crofota from a Jacob Branty. Mon subscribe to that channel. Channel radio. Minya. We do agra do. This channel. Chimutuo. Subscribe.
And Fambramba Diba official show no so yasa asinkonya ya de dwumade ni e de ebrem se de mu dada ne kan se ya ya de ane papa nko a e na ye ba na ye de ebrem entiese wa ha se de bia meka kire mo sabi mpeduasa en so man fo kwadom epe dodo na yen atiazefo entiese wa hanam edas de Madiba official channel no en dikache onua se on log on to YouTube channel one mo okwa o make sure so Madiba. That's Madiba, not the official OFFICIAL. No, that's also said be ya. Obetimi anya nema hudo a good channel we so no. Etimi ave so any sense e bia o wie o make sure obetimi subscribe. Say the be ya we o subscribe and capro. Yes wa we a free. The answer odo wonsa ebe mia to that subscription button. Mia so a adomana e ba no asa emi adomana so na ese no ano no anytime bia na be dropo show bia e o channel we so no enya dia o ebetima hwe okra o ta ebetima kan 10 times okra say be before be able log on to the channel akọ say new video be etima ba now don say etima ka video and so say the league season asha say there ya no one be the jumadie no ewo channel we so just subscribe so now subscribe no now we like it now we comment say the be ya say enema bi a oji this ebetima boma channel na tumpon no waja to ase ama e ba next time a yetimi abeg kenkan ni aboma channel on etimi akonkan sa ene ade a ubia mesrom share na obi so enye bi hwe ene ya be preview the game a Boboko IFN say Abuakese Ashanti Gold omo ene the Continental Club Masters the rainbow colors never said until the bones are rotten Yankonton Mantiero and Elbow into Abuakese against Yankonton Mountain Ash Gold versus Accra House of Folk Shenison. So we ever the first league gamer Accra House of Folk Airborne no any able fee. Their first game also come Airborne has any real mu etu kwago pin odoma. Go PM was some players no and almost staff COVID-19 nti ya dia ministry and tiase emane yetimi quarantine omo afi enene abrowa yi poma kwan mu a Yamia Duma and Nedia Boga Fan said, how the folk any Boga said, as good everybody channel song. Said them Liga catch your house, FS against the stars and I to me, now we are looking for a set. What will the folk have to put on board? Because Obekaya prior to this special serum and our coach FS Edward Ni Odum. Edward just say, me team I crab to win the league, and this is enough. Ebe Emra Sarah Ebetimia Amabo government how the folk imagine the golden died and that's the Premier League for the first time in about 11 years has any monumental trophy piano this around or no under the stewardship ever say new Oduno or Boa Ama has imagine the Premier League and they still organize and we're on the pin sheet that they have the players to do so because I always say who are the players now idea or more players or household names in our league. The other guy said they will get someone that will be the one to put them on the right track. And for me, I think say the coach IFN said New Odum, that man knows that me Bono put the players all the right places. Now your idea uncle say because say player we aim don't me using the Maybe no so corners a beer always William the chin or form. But already evoke a form in mystery because after I've maintained say who said this is a strange season. Name him saying idea pandemic no enchera ka illegal shall say ye tranketi players that if you have no ever has the match fitness wise no or more from as compared to Ash Goda or more can about their first game to just make sure we go into the game we play the more that fitness to play and the entire duration of the game that's able they can give him a good 70 a good system and for me I think say so team ends the house of folk will be good to go because we in goal post as Richard Atta faith that he will be in goal post goal government house of folk in the right fullback position. He can go for the captain. And I say, Brandon Feather, Larry Smiler. Larry Smiler has been splendid in the offseason. And for me, I think if he's to be the man to start as the right fullback for other Fuka, Brandon will do a very decent and good job. Woko FN said, Hearts of Folk. And I will be the left back on being Radio Buka, William Denchi, any one of them are good to go. When a center back pairing, our Brandon Mo Alasan and a Nuru Sule, saving Po, or decided say, already off season, name a James Sowo, no, or they will run into the defense. For me, I think say Brandon will do a splendid job. And we're in Mananetia, and they were number 10 just and they are bought in the missing 10. Where number 10 now the 8 number it will be a good thing. And where my man in Lawal in Swab, massa. Pass anything, and for me, I think that those two players will complement each other very well. And where say and they immediately and they'll be able to start with a bed no demo. Now Daniel Barnier free and one for me. I think it's Eric Design more and this team everything made good to go against an Ash Gold team. The first game against Karelia United about 2-2, and who will say I because I'm lucky last season. This come here so much team after Takakra down with the inclusion of Hans Kofi. Sorry, Hans Kofi ever in the first game. Otimma Abuga fan say Ash Gold a goal, but not the people say no to put deep to do. And a bad sana, defenders and Tom because just like Benzema no, and ball into the 18-yard box or one arriving late and head the ball now. Then the ball will do not only one. And for me, I think say that's one time the negatives are Hans Kofi. The first game, baby and Ash Gold stronghold on Medford because a Medforder. Nanka wo Brandon James Akamenko wo Abdul Latif Anabila Osans Ewa Pierre McCarthy, and for me that was the best midfielder in the Premier League last season. And for me, I say a lot of people and even Pope who told for the past 3-4 years that they've been consistent for Ash Gold and this midfield Etimegu, and they are trying to assemble a new midfield again to where David Sandan Abanya. Nowhere Apia McCarthy, they are very good players. Apia McCarthy, the least of him the better. He has been splendid throughout the days. Elbow Fan say Ash Gold, but always all new partners on the midfield now. And where Jacoba Palmo for me, I think it's a better key time for them to be able to gel and play like the other players have been played. And for me, so the medical can this Ash Gold team and yet the finished article. Their defense was splendid because now you see Mubarak. No, ever complimented the effort of Eric Richard or say Ajmadas a Joe commander. But this time around, I won't say the defense and all that resolute. The first game against Karela, dear is still 8 me a bombard, it great to the defense because normally all that strong into Richard or say any the other defenders no 8 me M1. And for me, I think that that's the place that has folk can able to help Bogavan as good. Some 8 months to that whole night that one on my end. Coaching can say I'm doing time into one me and take it team early on. This round he has been able to get match fitness in the players and able to get a match in them. For me, I think and the game now Bogavan has any Bogavan has airborne a bit a difficult game at both sides. Somebody can has any that match fitness because already almost like it behind bed as good no any conversing into coach near Edward Odum and many near their first game. Want to see what will happen. Would they be able to carry the day? And many come and bench, but from where I sit and from what I saw from Ash Gold, any other team I'm wearing all season a bit a difficult game, maybe a draw game, a bit 1-1 or a 2-2 draw game, and a bit and the game of Ash Gold. Anybody who can say a crab how the folk anyone myself say a idea many way echo kind that's when edging one. No one like it, no one share movie ends with me. Hey, Biawe, Hanam Edas, my Diva official channel. The bit my catcher for now, I say, that's adios, la perfecta.